let us now go into our first chapter. The methodology chapter. The objectives here, we need to go through the purpose of tuning. That's a lot more important than many people think. Why do you actually tune at all? We need to work out why you do it and when you actually need to do it. A lot of people spend a lot of time on tuning that isn't actually necessary. Then we go through some prerequisite knowledge. We'll take a quick look at the SQL execution cycle, because we have to understand what Oracle, how queries are actually issued, how they get to Oracle, how Oracle then runs the query. We need to understand what Oracle is actually doing with your SQL. Then the concept of cost-based optimization. How is Oracle making its decisions about how to run the statements? And that leads naturally to the final step of this chapter, the simple methodology for how to tune the SQL statements, which the rest of the course expands.